Sorry for the video and for this ridiculous greeting. I'm still recovering from this New Year's celebration, as well as from my life in general. I've decided to become a meme appraiser, basically editing weird videos. Memes might occasionally feature interesting items from Amazon, Walmart, other online stores, or even your product. Or maybe you're just curious about how much all these memes cost to brighten up your dull days. Let's find out.
Ну, гриб будешь или что ты тут? Так хлеба возьми. Возьми хлеба, ну. Давай с хлебом ешь. Ну, бери с хлебом, что ты без хлеба? Укусил? Все.
I hope this video will help me earn enough for a trip to Dubai to try authentic Dubai chocolate. In the meantime, I'll share my recipe for budget Dubai chocolate. Your likes will help me save up for the latest iPhone. If I fall short, I'll buy myself a parrot instead.
It's in my coffee. Oh, your whole leg. Do you see the
High quarter pounder?
Well, it doesn't seem like such a huge amount after all. I can only dream of living happily by the Black Sea. For now, let's aim for 2,403 likes, and a bit more, on this video, and I'll make the next one even better and more expensive. My workday is done.